Hi everyone, welcome back to Brunette Wig Place. I just wanted to do a short video because I got a wig just a couple days ago from Uniwigs. Oh, the white's not too bad. The white on the camera, white boxes and the camera always get a reflection. So got a new wig from them, and this is a wig that they asked me to review several months ago, but it was back ordered. And this wig may be a bit of a shocker. So I thought that I haven't seen it, I haven't tried it on my head, it's been driving me crazy, but I was like, I'm gonna wait until I have time to film something, you know, and then I'm gonna put it on. So this wig only came in a really light blonde or in black. So between the two colors, the blonde was rooted. So I thought, let me just try the blonde. What the heck? The black I felt like was gonna be too harsh with my skin tone. And you know, it's almost the new year. I've tried a lot of new things this year. I have put my bald head out into the world on YouTube, for instance, and on Instagram. So why not try something completely out there for me? And don't worry for my brunettes, I am not departing from my brunettes. This is just a short departure, just to try something new and see what this wig looks like. So this is a human hair wig. This is their Kim wig. So I'm gonna open the box. Oh, so when you first open the box, you've got like some lovely tissue with a little note there from them. And there she is. Oh, she's very blonde. Okay, so before we get into her, I'm gonna talk about what else is in the box. So there is a cute little bag that has a band and clips. If you want to put that in the wig, you can add that to your wig. Oh, how cute! They sent a little Christmas card. Throw that over there. It says Season's Greeting. Oh, it's gold too, so it's gonna reflect. Season's Greetings. And there's a little note in here. To our dear customers, wish you all a Merry Christmas. May the joys of the season fill your heart with goodwill and cheer. May all of your wishes and dreams come true, and may you feel this happiness all year round. Sincerely, Uniwigs. That's really sweet. That's a nice added touch. I love that. Okay, so then we also have thank you for your order, and I think these are probably care instructions. Yes, all kinds of instructions for how do you wash it, can you swim in it, all sorts of instructions also about exchanging, returns, all kinds of stuff in a little booklet that's in the box, and then a little wig cap. There's 2 wig caps in this little bag. So I feel like we need a drum roll. Brrr, no. Just kidding. So, taking off the hairnet, taking out the tissue. Okay, so here she is. Let's see if I can get her close enough here. Maybe a little too close. So here is her color, very blonde. Platinum. Creamy platinum. She does have a root that is, I guess, about a medium brown. Let me show you the inside of her cap. Feels super soft. Oh, it is soft. So she's got a hand-tied cap. She's got some silicone on the ear tabs, and there's a metal stay in there. And then there's some silicone tabs on the nape. She doesn't seem to have, there are no adjusters for the cap, so we'll see how she fits me. But I do have on my, my lace grip cap, so, because I wasn't sure how she was going to fit me. And then she's got a mono top, no lace front. So let's put her on, see what she looks like. Oh boy, I don't know. Okay, we'll see. Okay, oh my Marilyn Monroe moment. Okay, the cap feels a little big for me. So I think it's pretty, the cap is true to average. Oh my. Okay. Brunette Wig Place. When she goes, she's either gonna go blonde or go home. Whoa. Now the hair is really pretty. This is human hair, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. Hair is really, really pretty. The style, ooh, Oh my, I love the style. This is blonde. I think that, now it does have the rooting underneath. So, yeah, I think it's a little light for me. I'll have to play around with my makeup. This is just an unboxing just to show you the wig and my initial reaction, because I thought this would be fun since I knew it was so light blonde. Oh my. Holy blonde hair, Batman. This is blonde. Wow. Okay, so let me do a turn so we can see the style all the way around. Cute. Seems to be a little angled. I think it's a little bit angled. Really, really cute. Okay, so you've seen me in blonde. Ooh, I don't know. I'm feeling like sexier and sexier as we go on here. Ooh. So, but I love, the hair is really nice, very soft. It's a beautiful piece. I mean, it's a beautiful wig. I don't know that this is the best color for me, but it is kind of fun. So, she does not have a lace front, but that front is not bad. Ear tabs are nice. I'm liking the coverage from the ear tabs on the side over here. Yeah, cap is super comfortable. She's very light and very comfortable. So, there you have her. Kim by Uniwigs. I'm kind of feeling that way. I feel like a spy. Oh, I might find out your secrets. You better watch out. Really fun. Okay, just wanted to show her to y'all.